I started my real estate journey with Santa Lucia way back 2017. I learned from scratch kasi I don't have any real estate background during that time. Pinaka-memorable sale dito sa Santa Lucia, syempre kapag nag-spot cash ang buyer. Marami naman ding nag-spot cash kasi they see the value of Santa Lucia, the projects around here in Palawan. And yun, masaya. But the one thing na nagre-register sa memory ko is that client na doon siya nag-reserve sa Manila. But then, it was still acknowledged na ako po yung broker na nag-assist niya. With Santa Lucia Marketing, I personally felt that I have a family. For those who are into sales, salespersons, existing brokers, huwag niyo na pong patagalin pa, be part of Santa Lucia Marketing. Hi, ako si Agnes Arcillas, isang real estate broker. I'm proud to be an accredited sales partner with Santa Lucia Marketing Palawan. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.